Seedance 2.5 is officially out, and it's a beast. 30-second clips, 50 reference inputs. So time to test it out and check out the pricing also. So let's go. So you can check it out both on Dremina platform and on CapCut platform. So let's create some videos directly here on Dremina. You of course choose AI video, then here you will see Dremina Seedance 2.5 appearing. We have videos up to 720p, which is fine for now, and here the beautiful thing, 30 seconds. So here I wanted to test out uploading 8 different images. So we have images of 7 different people and the room location. They're talking a lot, there are different shots, camera shots, cuts and everything. So let's see how does that look like as a final video. Here it is.
Tonight, dinner's on me.
It's my apartment, old man.
Then why is the fridge empty? Those shakes are mine.
Who cooked this?
Me. Secret recipe.
Best meal all year.
Every month then.
To the family we choose.
I think this turned out pretty good. And I used the following images, the location, the people, we have everyone there, and I think they turned out pretty good in the video. Then you can edit video, interpolate, extend, generate soundtrack also. This specific video costed me 1,110 credits, and if you go here into the subscription, I just bought a subscription of 80 euros per month. This is around $95, and for that I received 8,600 credits, meaning you can create for 80 euros or $95 around 8 or 9 videos that are 30 seconds length and that are 720p quality. Now I also created this nice video where I attached the image of a person, of a room, and he is kind of a crossing between rooms, attacking the superhero, finding the painter, changing the rooms once again. It's a really nice video and a relatively lengthy prompt. So here it is. Now if you go to the home page, you will see some different things here. Of course, we have omni-reference, first frame, last frame, multi-frames, smart edit, and we also have long video. If I press here on the long video, here you can change this slider up to 180 seconds, which is a lot of course, and this would cost me 8,100 credits. Basically one monthly subscription of $80–90 for that one video. But now let's try to recreate one of the videos that they published as an official announcement. So there are many different things happening in this video. I attached 4 images overall. Of course, I know I can attach up to 50 different things, but this is just a first and a quick test. So let's generate 1,100 credits. And it is now generating. It will be done in a couple of minutes. Of course, when you have pure text to video, this generation is faster, but when you have multimodal and several inputs, then it takes longer. And here is our video, so let's look at it. It's very nice that I misspelled the name of my channel and I spent around $10 for this video, but that's okay. I really like those fast cuts and fast transition videos. So here I created a video with text to video prompt, a continuous type video, so let's look at that one. very good. I really like the part how the eagle flies onto his hand very seamlessly and very good motion and quality. Now here is also one simple continuous video with a simple text prompt. We need to try out the flying. Also, those macro close-up videos and transitions once again are pretty good, so let's watch also this one. This was really fun to watch. And now after around 8 or 9 generations, I spent all of my monthly credits. So you see, no enough credits or relevant benefits. So overall the videos really turn out great. Generations are fast. It follows the prompt. You can input so many images, video and audio and everything. I'll be testing those out in some later videos. But be careful with your credits because you will spend them very, very quickly. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.